Hello guys, we are now on tutorial 5, and the first one of tutorial 5 looks like this. It's the first one, it's 2 over x plus 2, x plus 3, then subtract 1 over x plus 4. So the question says solve the following fraction, meaning you have to work it out. So what do? You pair this with that and then this one with that. So that means that will be 2 into x plus 4, then minus 1 into x plus 3, then all over the lowest common denominator, which is x plus 3 into x plus 4. So what did we do? You have to find the lowest common denominator, which is x plus 3 and that, meaning you are going to multiply everything here by the lowest common denominator, which is x plus 3 into x plus 4. So that is why this cancels that, then you are going to be left with x plus 4, which multiplies 2, and then you have negative 1. This by that, it's 1, and then you'll be left with x plus 3, which will multiply negative 1. So let's work it out. We are now left with the numerator that we need to manipulate. So this is 2x plus 8 minus x minus 3 all over x plus 3 into x plus 4. So x minus 2x minus x, you will be left with x. Then 8 minus 3 is plus 5 all over x plus 3 into x plus 4. So this will be our final answer. It will be our final answer. So let me just check whether we are correct. Yes, and that is correct. This is correct. I just check this and it is correct. This is our final answer, and it is correct. I checked it. So this is number 1, and then we move to number 2. For number 2, moving to another equation, we'll save this. Okay, solve for this. This is almost similar like the first one. It's 1 over x plus 1, then plus 1 over x plus 2. We apply cross multiplication, or what we do is to take this and multiply by the lowest common denominator, which is x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now this is our a, it multiplies, okay, this cancels with that, then you'll be left with, that is 1 multiplied by, this cancels that, you are left with x plus 2, then plus 1 into x plus 2 cancels this, you're left with x plus 1, and then all over x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now then let us get rid of the brackets. We'll be having x plus 2 plus x plus 1. So we add like terms, all over x plus 1 into x plus 2. Then x plus x is 2x. is 2x, x plus x is 2x, then 2 plus 1 is 3, and then all over x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now, let us check whether this is correct. Remember, the first thing that you need to do is to check the lowest common denominator and then multiply all of them by the lowest common denominator. So that is x plus 3 into x plus 1 there, and now the answer is correct. The answer is correct. So let's get the next. The next, solve the following equations simultaneously. So this is simultaneous equation, which is number 3. Then we have x plus 2y equals 7. And then the second one is 3x plus 5y equals 15. Now what do we do? Multiply the first equation by 3. You multiply by 3, then what is the next? The next equation will be 3x plus 6y then equals 21. That will be equation number 3 that we derived from our previous equations. So look at this. They are the same. Therefore, we can eliminate this by subtracting the bigger one, the smaller one from the bigger one. That is equation number 3. Equation number 3 minus equation number 2. 3x minus this is 0. 6y minus 5y is y equals 21 minus 15. That gives us 6. So we have the value of y. Then we substitute y by 6. By 6 in the simplest equation is equation number 1. In equation number 1. So our x plus 2 into 6 equals 7. 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Then 7 minus 12, that gives you minus 5. So the value of x is minus 5. So let's check it. If x is minus 5, it's x minus 5 plus your y, it's 6. 2 times this is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Yes, it's true. So this is correct. Therefore, the y value is 6, and then the x value is minus 5. Okay, let's check. Yes, minus 5 and 6. Now, these are the correct answers. Correct answers. They are correct. Fine. Then let's get to the next. The next is number 4. Number 4. It says solve the following equations simultaneously. It's just like the first one, we can use elimination. Have 6x minus 4y equals negative 18. And then the second one is 4x3 is 4x plus 3y equals 22. Then what do? We need to eliminate this. What I do, I multiply the first by 4 and multiply the second by 6. And then what do we get? 4 by that is 24x. then minus 16y, then 18 multiplied by that. Let me just do the calculations. 18 and 4 times this is 32, then it will be 72. And this is negative 72. And that gives us the new equation, which is equation number 3. And then for this one, we multiply 6 by 4, everything by 6, and then we get 24x. Then 6 multiplied by this is 18y, and then 6 by this is 12, carry 1, 6 by that is 12, then plus 1 is 32. Then that is equation number 4. So we eliminate this. Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Equation number 2, equation number 3 minus equation number 4. This will give you 0, and then this minus that. It will be minus minus, then it will be minus 2y equals this minus minus, it will be a plus, then we add them together, that will be 10, and then we'll be having 204. Then negative 2y is equal to that. Then we divide both sides by negative 2, therefore our y is equal to negative 102. Now we have the value of y. Therefore, by substituting this into any of the above, we have 6x. Now let's take the second one. 4x plus 3y is negative 102, then equals 22. Then this is 4x minus 603, then equals 22. Then 4x equals transpose this to that other side, then that will be addition, then that will be 328. Then divide by 4. If you divide by 4, you get x is equal to 4 into 3, nope, then into 32, 4 goes 8 times, into 8 it goes twice. Then the final answers are y equals negative 102, and for x we have 82. For x we have 82. So let us check whether they are the correct answers or not. So that is number 4. Nope. It's x, 6x minus that. Let's check where we did wrong. 6 times that, this minus that, this. No, it's a plus here, man. It's a plus, therefore it will be this minus. No, we just, yes, we subtract, then it will be 34y. And let me correct it this side. It will be negative 30. No. This minus that is positive 34y. Positive 34y, which is equal to 204. Now let's divide 204 by that. 204 divided by 34. Yes. 204 divided by 34. 204 divided by 34. That gives us y is equal to Remember, this minus is going to be positive, so that is 6 is positive 6. Therefore, taking it from 4x plus 3y equals 22. We substitute this 4x plus 3 times 6 is 18, 22. Then we subtract 4x, then that will be 4. It's 22 minus that, it will be 4. Then your x is equal to 1. Then we have 1 and 6. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Yes, the answer x is 1, and then that is okay. Here are the correct answers, guys. Make sure that your calculations are correct. So that is number 4. Okay, we are done with that. Then let's get to the fifth one. The fifth one looks like this. Solve the following simultaneous equation and give the value of y. And give the value of y. That means the final answer that we need to give is the value of y. So we have negative 2x, then plus y equals negative 21, negative 21, and then x plus 3y equals negative 14. And then by elimination, what do we need? We need the value of y. So let us eliminate this one. We just multiply this by 2 in order to get that. Multiply here by 2. Then what do we have? We now have 2x plus 6y equals negative 28. So what do? These are additive inverses. Now what do? We add equation number 1 and equation 3. We add them up. This becomes 0. Then this plus that gives us 7y. 7y equals this plus that gives us 49, negative 49. Then we divide by 7, y equals negative 7. Remember, they said give the value of y. They are not concentrating on the value of x. So that's it. And this is the correct answer. So that was number 5. And then for number 6, solve simultaneous equations. We have minus 2x plus y equals negative 21, and then 3xy equals that. Are they almost similar? Yes. Then the second one, it's x plus 3y equals negative 14. Then what do we need? We need the value of x. That means we need to eliminate the y's. How do we do that? Multiply the first one by 3 and then leave this one. You'll be having negative 6x plus 3y equals negative 63. So this is equation number 3. Then let's see. Yes, you'll subtract equation number 2. 3 minus 2, that gives us this minus that is 0. Then this minus that is negative 7x, which is equal to this minus this. It will be negative 63 plus that. And let me just make calculations. 63, 14, then it's 9, 9, 5 is 49, then it should be negative. So it will be negative 40, 49. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 7. By dividing both sides by negative, you get 7. So let's check whether this is correct or not. The value is 7. This is correct. And then let's move to number 7. Number 7. Number 7, that is partial fractions. Partial fractions. Now for partial fractions, what do we need to do? We need to write the first one is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1 into x plus 2. So what do we do? The first thing that we need to do is to have a, that is this over that. That is 2x. That's a, then multiplied by 2x over x plus 1 equal, plus b multiplied by 3 into x plus b. No threes. No threes. Let me just check to be sure. Just need to be sure. A plus b. Yes, we don't need this. We don't need that. So x plus 5. Now what do? We multiply throughout by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So this cancels that. Then 2x plus 3, then over x plus 1 into x plus 2. So this is going to cancel. It's 2 here. This is going to, okay, let's start here. This is going to cancel that. Then you're left with 2x plus 3, which equals, this cancels that. Then you're left with a into x plus 2, then plus, this cancels that. You're left with this one is b into x plus 1. So by multiplying throughout, you get ax plus 2a plus bx, then plus b. Now you collect like terms, a plus b, and then a plus b, then 2x, then a plus b, It's 2x. And then what do we have? We have a plus b x, then plus 2a plus b. Now therefore, a plus b is equal to this. Is equal to 2. Then that means your a is equal to 2 minus b. And 2a plus b is equal to 3, which is this one. That is independent of x. So we substitute here 2 into 2 minus b, then equals 3. This is 4 minus 2b equals 3. Now this goes to that side, this goes to this side, then we'll be left with 2b. 2b equals 1. Therefore, our b is equal to half. Our b is equal to half. Then our a is equal to 2 minus half, which is equal to 1 and a half. Now, meaning the fraction is gonna be a is 1.5. Yeah, it's 3 over 2 over x plus 1, then plus our b, is it positive? Yes, it's positive, plus half over x plus 2. Now let's check whether this is correct or not. Then okay, let's do it this way. It's 3 over 2 divided by this, meaning it will be multiplied by 1 over x plus 1, then plus 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over x plus 2. Now this multiplied by that is 3 into 2x plus 2, then plus 1 into 2x plus 4. Now let's check. Let's check that. Two x plus 2, 2x. This one seems not to be correct. This seems not to be correct. We will get to it. Then let's check. X plus 3 that. Plus that. Okay. Let's get to the original. Okay. Let's try another method. Another method is to take this to be minus, then we will be left, if x is minus, minus 2, we will have minus 4, then the final answer here, it will be negative 1, and then here it will be 0, then x is minus, no, for x is equal to minus 2, yeah, minus 2, it's minus 1, then multiplied by b, it's minus b equals that, therefore our b will be equal to 1. So if our b is equal to 1, then the next step is to substitute this by negative. If it's negative 1, we have 2, then that is, it will be 1, positive 1 this side, and then minus 0, and then we have negative 1 is 1, a is equal to 1, then our a is equal to 1. Therefore, the fractional is 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus x plus 2. Then this should be the one. This should be the one. Let's check. That is number 7. Yes, it's there. It's there. It's there. Yes. So number 8. We are just about to finish, guys. We are just about to finish. Number 8. Number 8 is 7x plus 18 over x plus 2 into x plus 3. So what do? We multiply throughout. Okay, this is equal to a. This is a into this is a, a over x plus 2 plus 18 over x plus 3. Then we multiply by the lowest common denominator, x plus 3. Then here you are left with 7x plus 18. Then here this cancels that, you're left with that one. A into x plus 3 plus 18 into x plus 2. So let us check. If this is 1, let x be equal to minus 3. Therefore, it's 7 into minus 3 plus 18 equals a into minus 3 plus 3, 0. Then plus 18 into minus 3 plus 2. Then that is impossible. 21. No, we don't do it that way. We don't do it this way. We check this. That will be 7x plus 18 is equal to ax plus 3a plus 18x plus 36. So we pair this to a plus 18 or x plus 3a plus 36. Now therefore a plus 18 equals 7 and 3a plus 36 equals 18. So 3a equals negative 18 again. Therefore, your a is equal to negative 6. Then your a, no, this is your b, sorry. This is b, guys. I made a mistake. Okay, let me do this. It will be 7. Start on the new page. 7x plus 18 over x plus 2 into x plus 3. Then it's a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3. Then multiplied by x plus 2 into x plus 3. So left with 7x plus 18 equals a into x plus 3 and plus b into x plus 2. So what next? Then this is what we do. We can take them out. Yes. Then this is equal to ax plus 3a plus bx plus 2b, and a plus b x, then 3a plus 2b. So this is equal to a plus b equals 7 and 3a plus 2b equals 18. Then a equals 7 minus b. Therefore, 3 into 7 minus b plus 2b equals 18. This is 21 minus 3b, then plus 2b equals 18. Then by transfer, this is minus. By taking it to that other side, it will be our b. Then we take this to that side, then it will be 21 minus 18, and that gives us 3. This will be 3. Therefore, our a is equal to 7 minus 3, which is 4. Meaning, the fraction is a is 4 over x plus 2, then plus 3 over x plus 3. Now let's check it. Guys, when you deal with these fractions, you need to be very careful. You need to be extra careful. So the answer is correct. The answer is correct. So let's get to the second last. Second last. Okay, we have 4x over 2, 4x over x plus 2 plus 2 over x minus 5. This is just cross multiplication, guys. That will give you 4x into x minus 5, then plus 2 into x plus 2, then all over x plus 2 into x minus 5. So this is 4x squared minus 20x, then plus 2x plus 4. That gives you this minus 5. Then we collect like terms if any. Then the final answer will be 4x squared minus 18x, then plus 4 all over x plus 2 into x minus 5. Then we need to be very careful whether they factorize that. But let's just check. X squared minus is a minus 18. Okay, this is the correct one. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So now on the last one is 10, number 10. Then for this ones, it's 1 over x minus 3, then minus 1 over this squared, x minus 3, then all squared. What we need to do is we multiply throughout by this. This is equal to a plus b over then you multiply by the lowest common denominator, which is this, x minus 3 all squared. Now look what happens. Here you'll be left with this cancels that, then you're left with this. This is x minus 3, then here minus 1, then equals a into x minus 3, yes, then plus b. So what? If you get your value to be, you let x be equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, then we have minus 1. Minus 1 equals, this is, if it's 3, then the whole thing is going to be 0, therefore your b is equal to negative 1. Now therefore, if your b is equal to negative 1, then you just do this. You your b is 1, then you must calculate the value of a. Okay, b is -1. This is b, guys. Our b is -1, and then this is equal to that, meaning our a is 1. Our a is 1. Our a is equal to +1. But let us be sure. Let us be sure. Let us be sure. Let us be sure. Getting back to this, what do we get? We go for the last one. Our a is 1, and then this one is minus. Then we have, meaning the final answer is it's 1 over x minus 3, then minus b is minus, then it will be plus 1 over x minus 3 all squared. Maybe. Seems as if there is a mistake here. 0b 0 minus 1b is -1. Okay, plus -1 plus -1. It should be minus here. It should be a minus here. Yes, and the answer is there. It should be a minus there, guys. Well, yeah, that is all. And what you need to do is to check on the corrected items. Just make sure that you understand what is written there, and then get your work done. Thank you.